Hello, my name is Maria and I'm going to show you how you can use Hootsuite for your business. Well, as you know, Hootsuite is a program in the one you can manage all your social media accounts, and is quite useful if you are in the social media world. Yeah. So first of all, you need to sign in to your Hootsuite account. You can get the one for free, or you can get the pro one. I have the pro, and I'm going to show you how you can use the features. Yeah. So basically, the first thing you need to do is go here on your left hand side, and you have to be sure that you are the super admin of the organization. Yeah. So if you are the super admin, then you can manage all your members, the teams. You can create different accounts. You can do many things. And then here, let's go to edit profile. It's loading, it's thinking. Okay. Well, in my case, I don't have a picture, but it's because I don't really have members, so it doesn't get confusing. But if you have an account with a lot of members, it's useful to upgrade your picture. Yeah. And then here you have the name and the initials. These ones, for example, sometimes when you go to Twitter and then after every tweet you see two initials, it's usually because they are using Hootsuite and they are just trying to make a difference to each other. Yeah, in my case, my initials are NF. And then, well, this is the bio for my company, etc. Okay. Save account, settings. Okay. After that, well, here you can see you can view the teams I've got. I have got 3. One for my body work, it's about fitness. One's for Maria F. Milliner, that is about hats, and the other one that is related with marketing. Okay. And then here, view members, and as you can see, I only have another member, that is well, Sylvie. Yeah. And then here, all the social networks I've got. Ones for LinkedIn, Facebook page, blah blah blah. After that, let's go and check this part, the streams. So basically, for example, this one is for my personal Twitter account, and as you can see, I have different streams. One is related with the timeline, another one is the mentions I've got, the direct messages I've got, my inbox, and then the tweets I sent. But you can also add different streams to it. So for example, here on Twitter, if you go to this one, yeah, then the different streams you can add are, for example, inbox, outbox, complete, mentions, send tweets, favorite, my tweets retweeted, scheduled tweets, etc. Yeah, new followers. And as you can see, I've got Twitter, Facebook, then another Twitter for my millinery company. This one is in Spanish. Instagram, I will show you later how you can add Instagram on Hootsuite. And this one is also Instagram. Yeah, another one. After that, let's go on here on Publisher. This one is a really nice feature. So basically, sometimes you are busy, you don't have time to be checking content, because I mean, you cannot be always posting about your company. That would be like quite boring, and probably people will be thinking that, I don't know, that you are not really on social media, you are just there to sell, which is quite bad. So basically, like 10, maximum 20% of your info should be about your company, and the rest should be about different news that you got from here and there. So in this case, if I don't know really where to look at for news about hats, this one is a really good feature. You go to schedule, yeah, and as you can see here, there are the tweets I've got scheduled for the next days, yeah. And how can you get your own ones? Well, let's check here. Let's go to suggested. It's thinking. Okay. So let's go to settings here on the right hand side, and then here you have the keywords you can check. So for example, let's go for millinery. London, for example, yeah. And then here you have to choose the social network you want to have the tweets post to, yeah. So in my case will be the one I've got. So let's click save, and now it's being updated. Okay. So as you can see, you don't have like, okay, but sometimes you don't get much luck, because sometimes the information is not really related with what we've got. So let's click on settings again, and let's go for something really accurate. So let's go for millinery, hat, and fascination. Okay. So as you can see, I've already chosen some. I'm trying to get a good one. Okay. For example, this one. So you can schedule for this time. You can also change it, yeah. You can edit it. So here you can edit it, and you can change the time, the day, everything, yeah. So this is just a suggestion from Hootsuite, but you can change it. And then here you click schedule, and that's all. So here you've got the schedule tweets. Then here you will got the ones that require approval, expired, rejected, the ones that you scheduled at the past. Then also you can get information from the feeds you've got. I don't have any at the moment, but for you to know that you can get from here. Yeah, this is a very cool feature for you to get content to your social media. And then here is the analytics part, and it is really useful because here you can incorporate Google Analytics. You can get information related with Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Really good. So for example, let's go to Twitter profile overview, and let's click on my Milliner create report. Ta-cha! It's created, and then as you can see, I have around 300 followers. Yeah, but my follower growth is not really high because I'm not pushing it at the moment. And then the most popular links I've got recently. But also, You will have the information you want from this another templates. And here in Google Analytics, so you can get all website data from Maria Milliner, create reports. Okay, cancel. Okay, but basically here, and as you can see, you can get the information about Google Analytics and about your social media profile, yeah. And also you can create your own reports. Some of them are free, some of them they are points. So for example, this one is free, which is the one I've got. Let's check another one that is free, for example this one. And let's go for my admin again. Click here. Ta-da! So this is the report for my Twitter account and Facebook account, etc., etc. Okay. So as you can see, United States is the biggest one, then Japan, then Canada, and basically all my referrals are direct, which is quite good. That means that people are typing on the browser Maria F. Milliner to go to my account, but if we see in terms that social media works, it's not good. Okay. But it's good the fact that you've got people that remember your name. And the most popular links are these ones. Okay. So let's click on it. So the other one is just a template, but this one is the good one. And then here you have all the information you want, and then you can also export it to PDF or CSV. Okay. And also, I'm going to show you another really cool feature on streams. So basically, sometimes, yeah, we've got the information about social media, but we don't know as much about, for example, a keyword we want to look at, or a specific region we're interested in. So I'm going to show you how you can do it. Basically, okay, let's go here because I already got one or two. So basically, all these tweets are related with hats, the people that live or at least are tweeting in London area, because the geocode is in London. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's go ahead and stream, add stream, and then let's go and check Maria F. Milliner. I just want to check search. Maria F. Milliner, and then let's go and type millinery. Yeah, but I want to know who is talking about millinery in Australia. So let's go to Google Maps. And let's type Melbourne, for example. And then here you've got the information about Melbourne. You right hand click. You click on what's here, then you got the geolocation for Australia, Melbourne. Control C, Control V, And that's all. Please remember that you always need a comma and a space between these numbers, yeah. And also, if you want to know, for example, if you are in Melbourne, yes, but you want to have like a radio around Melbourne that people are talking about millinery, then you can always click comma, type comma, and then, for example, if you want a radio of 100 kilometers, just type 100 kilometers. Please always remember to add comma here, and then add stream. Ooh, okay, something went wrong. So let's try again. Okay, let's make it more. Add stream. Search. Oh yeah, millinery. Geocode. Remember, copy paste, and then 10 kilometers. I hope it's going to work. Let's try. Okay. Now let me check. Let's try now. Aha. So basically the thing you don't have to do is put a space between the number and the kilometers. So it should be together. 10 kilometers together without space. So as you can see here, you've got the tweets about people talking about millinery in the area of Melbourne. Yeah? Which is really interesting. So if you have a team member, right, and you want to assign something to that person, then you need to click here, assign to, my milliner, add note, check, yeah, and assign. So now the member in your account will see that you assign something to that person, yeah, so that they have to look at it. This is really good also if you are not working in the same place, so that you can somehow work together. And apart from that, I'm thinking what else we can look at. So the geocode is done, assignment is done. Yeah, let me show you how you can add Instagram to your Hootsuite account. So basically you need to click on apps, all apps, Instagram, should be around here, somewhere, yes, here. It's because it's already installed. Okay. So basically you need to go to apps, and then here in the app directory, then you can click on it, and then it will get you the stream you want. Yeah. As you can see here, I have two. I have one for the hats, and another one for things. Well, I think that's all. Thank you so much for checking it. I hope you like it. I hope it was useful. And see you next day. Bye bye.